Because in our society, people made Hawa. How can you speak English Jawa? Because of well talk. And well talk will be the pride of India one day. Many people, after many years, many people will go to abroad and they will be known because of well talk. If you will speak fluently, they will ask, "Hello, brother. How did you learn English such a way?" You would say, "Because of Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to congratulate sir for having me such a wonderful opportunity to speak, especially on that moment sir gave me. So, I am going to talk about, I think nobody could expect.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So, I will take 1 minute. Can you tell me what will be my topic today? No. But it is deeply connected to you. And I'm going to do some Gustaki, sir. To you, Gustaki. Can you tell me what will be my topic? No, absolutely not.
How can you read my mind?
Yes! Actually, it was challenge. Okay. Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Hello, my dear brothers and sisters.
Hello.
My topic is well talk. So repeat after me. Please stand up. W E double L well T A L K talk well talk. What is the meaning of well talk? Repeat with me. The meaning. The meaning. No, repeat up. The meaning of well talk. Dream. Dream. Satisfaction. Goal. Vision. Mission. And everything. Well talk. Well talk. Well talk. And let me sure, I'm not going to do chaplusi. I'm not going to do chaplusi. What I'm going to tell you, that is, when sir wanted to do something else, this well talk became a small stones of brick. Sir made and sir made, no, didn't make for themselves. Yes. Right now, it is hope for someone.
Yes. Exactly.
Who wants to speak English? Because in our society, people made Hawa. How can you speak English Jawa? Yes. When? Yes, I'm from Bihar, so people say like larka baua. Yeah. So, whenever history will be written, people will remember Cap Sir because Sir belongs to a village. Sir, prove them wrong. They think the people of village couldn't speak English. And Sir has proved on Jostock. On Jostock. So well talk is creating dream, vision, not in a day, in every second, in every minute, in every hour.
Yes.
How can you imagine? Without well talk and without Cap Sir and Math Sir, can Rebant come from Andhra to UP? No! Today, well talk is not for well talk. Well talk doesn't belong to Cap Sir. Well talk is meaning of UP right now. Because of well talk, Rebant know about UP and he came to Lucknow. Well talk is pride of Lucknow right now. Many people know Lucknow because of well talk. From south to north. From east to west. Because of well talk. And well talk will be the pride of India one day. After many years, many people will go to abroad and they will be known because of well talk. If you will speak fluently, they will ask, hello brother, how did you learn English such a way? You would say, because of I have many things to say, but as a captain, I respect the time. I don't have time, so I am going to conclude my speech and my talk. So first, one line I want to say, please utilize this opportunity. Definitely, you will become a good speaker and you will do something for yourself. But always, Sir will be the part of your dream, your vision, your work. Thank you so much.